Ọhaneze ndị Igbo ekenekwa m na biko ebe na m udo dịla onye mbụ na biko na abụrụzi ihe ọfụ na Peter Obi and some other dignitaries je ime ahịa Lagos ebe ahụ Demolished properties. Ọ bụrụkwa sọsọ ebe ahụ, ọ bụrụ na ịbịakwala ịbata n'ime Lagos ọfụma nwekwara ebe ọzọ a na-akpọ Oral Estate. Some people's building were also demolished that place. O nwere ihe m chọrọ ikwu before m play that video. Nwere ihe m chọrọ ikwu ka gwa nwa ya eziokwu. Some of ndị be anyị na-emeti ya. Ọ bụrụ na follow m na this channel, ya afọ mgbe m mee video early last year ekwu m okwu. Late last year ekwu m okwu maka na video, and I played a master plan video. I'll try to look for that video. I played a master plan video of how Lagos Fort Mainland Bridge will be built. Gosi ndị mmadụ ụzọ that ụzọ ya aga. Wee na-ekwu na ndị mmadụ nwa luchichi ahụ na ebe niile ha luchichili ihe. That a time will come na say actually build that place na over 1,000 buildings ya happen. Over 1,000 buildings ya happen. Some people not like pay attention to details. I don't know, these money driven and power driven individuals that has money, thinking that money is everything. Yes, Bible say money answer at all, say money is a defense, money is this, but also that the love of money, that the love of, not that money is the root of all, say that the love of it has become the root of all evils. Ndị mmadụ ya pata unamanchik master plan. If can the buy say watch milli. African device I watch me general some of those places, all these estate if you see millionaire black. Some of them say for run or their toilet and wastewater na gutter. So millis was here instead of the milli the apples up milli has na got a solicited that pipe na bakuta na mono. So Sunday na near free but the binu you are not even sure what if the thing on and collapse. That's why all this new estate potential for mother be Kaliania a beer 1 year or 2 years. Because million cases is old, then you control the second one. People started living. Most often they buy but a general ebebana bala hausa. HJD, HJ Kuaugo, Imago Potande Magundo Bodani, good Ndu Yoruba like good, they like money. As long as no higher and apatandi we go, they are in for it. Man, most of them they buy an arafia. If it government, you know, when I allow those things, government here bagging kitty. Because the government that is supposed to carry out the master plan, the original plan, might not enter into power. By then the person but because by the time you saw to the person will not do anything. Oh my god, kitten and move for 2 years. We're gonna say do am quick mukuna do am quick before they go say muna stop working na e will speed the law that one most no you know nya happen in 2 years no you know for 1 year call point office once up well onye ozo bata e demolish you now. That is just the agenda naga on, and then that he go anasi analiena iman foze hozo. So what is the way forward? The way forward is Malokwa na Malebe government solaso and Makwa that the law in the Lagos land stated that Lagos state government owns all the whole lands in Lagos state. Magema CFO ga, Magema COS ga, Magema Nkozo. Asegina any day government decided na ihe anu wakita na hacho use eba, your house is going down. Your house is going down. That is the truth. So say once this people has finished with marketplaces, they are coming for residential buildings. But it's just so sad that many people don't share my video and they don't even pay attention to what I am saying. Am I happy in here Melende by? No. But I'm not sorry for some of them. I'm not sorry for them. I am not, because somebody only Igbo no somewhere na matching milli ebe na akwadelo the place. Some people don't care. They don't. I has about when buy it get a shop, tea shop on a main road. Imago, in a nanya season them mad. What if motor fail we break? If a model one shop immediately after bridge, in about that bridge, like this, in half a shop on mad. What if motor fail we break? You don't think about your life, properties, and safety of your life first. In your hand, give on your hit, you don't care. You don't. And then in this video, going from here, Peter Obi and Ndozo, Kunime Lagos Market, can they not too much?
They come to verify with their eyes or what they saw on the social media and the television.
Yes. This is part of the year. The started from here. Ayaka.
You can see for yourself the damage that they caused.
Last week.
Was it built on the canal?
No,
No.
not at all.
It's not built on the canal.
No, not at all.
Well, we can walk across and then see whether the canal is big enough. Maybe.
Now they want to verify truly if the building was constructed on top of the canal. Oscar Odogu. You can see to yourself that the canal is very, very far away from the buildings.
Very, very big.
It's very clear.
That they've not even done the embankment.
And they're supposed to do embankment.
We did the embankment ourselves. Yes. Government should do the embankment.
Exactly.
They've not done that.
But the line is distinct. The canal line is distinct. Clear? No building is on top of the canal.
Another one.
They incoming governor. The incoming governor.
We moved on.
This building is condemned by their own action.
By their own action.
And this should go down.
I see the Balogun president as support.
The Ajolo Fabia Lobundala. One of the Ajolo Hamula. You can see to yourself the sitting president, Senate, with a good Ndigbo.
Wash it back. Wash it back.
They leveled this building down. This story building, they put it down.
Look at the gap. Look at the gap. The gap to canal.
all this thing went down. There is a new construction.
Yes.
No. They brought it down. Yes, completely. So, yes, sir. We just have No. Okay. No. If there is another way, let's use another. What's not fully if I know Kwenu start up, if one the mother, I draw long the Lagos State Diallo, not trade fair. Makanaga, what Jolo Cadiallo, Panya would I know name, Halo Rajolo, I depend that I grace, Aquandi Bonebe, Ndigbo Munaya Geponante, Inanya, our sitting senator, Victor Ume, Ojukwana Bobia, with the Ndigbo. He Peter Obi abia no we here ni Ndigbo jibiri abari be no ya matuto ndozozi Como talako wajila here let's finish your part talako como talako wajila here na lo wajila This one, the portion is from the back. Yes. Okay. One of the Ajolo had the halo.
Tola, let's go. We are still going. Yes. Man of now just now. Let him be more. Shift the motor. Hey, carry the motor. Come on. Hey, go back. Who gave this motor? They will come. Yeah. Look at them. Yes, this road will block through. They know. They will do that. Honorable. Let's move. There's another build here. Plenty. Oka bukwana ganga media service geze wetero ni yene menu pasta yeni na Ndigbo jibiri nsagize ka bia na ha no ga kwụ munnefa maka ndị na-ade emepe ọnụ na-ekwu ni Igbo nwere nwanne ni Igbo nwere nwanne ni Igbo nwere eze nwanne Igbo nwere eze Igbo nwekwa nwanne maka na ihe menu bo start atụrụ m n'anya Peter Obi no life na trade fair.